tout le monde, welcome to the Dex channel. Today we are playing Trick and Treat virtual novel. Where we left it with the white cat. Then what should I do? Pick her up in your pick her up. It is best to continue without waking her. That cat is dangerous. It's her fault that I end up in this place and my friend are missing. But even knowing that, for some strange reason, I can't help but feel sorry for her. It's a cat. Look at her. Even if it is unnatural, it is still an animal, of course. Cutie cat. I then bend down and see her clothes. She is unconscious and there is a thin line of blood coming from her mouth. I'm a real idiot. Yes, of course. I say to myself. At the same time, I clear the blood from her mouth with a handkerchief thing that I had with me. Conveniently placed thing. Unfortunately, she doesn't wake up, and then closes her mouth, making her appearance a little better. Wow, she seems to be peacefully sleeping. Dot dot dot. After a long sleep, I decide to pick her up carefully. I don't know what the power of this cat are, but if she brought me here, maybe she can return me back. She can return me to my world. With her, with her in my arm, I decide that the best thing I can do is to continue walking. Best plan. 2:31 a.m. Again, I find myself in the dark forest walking aimlessly, only moving forward, but it did not seem I was getting somewhere. In my arm, I carry the cat. We sleep soundly. Come here, here you'll be safe. I suddenly stop. It was probably easy to see the deep belief on my face at that moment. That voice again. I whispered to myself, with no one to listen to me. Softly after I found the cat, a mysterious voice appeared in my mind. I like the music. Ding, ding, dum, dum, ding, 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 dum, dum. Okay. It is a feminist voice, soft and gentle, as if it belonged to a princess from a fairy tale, but I can't trust it. I still like the music. Okay, let's continue. I'm really going crazy. Or it this voice that does not make any sense. Kinda. Found a cat. Okay. I don't know, but I don't like any of the two options. I then feel the cat moving in my arm. It's waking up. She's waking up. I look down at her confused, just seeing how he opened her red eyes suddenly. Dot dot dot. I become quiet at I become quiet at that instant. For a moment, the two stared motionless, staring into the eyes of the other. The red eyes of the cat are disturbing to me but also there is something fascinating about them, something that attracts me. The cat is trying to control me. Don't let yourself be hypnotized by the cat. Until suddenly she jumped with the intention to scratch my face. Ow! My flex is pushing her at the same time. I jump back, turning my head to dodge the cross. I manage to dodge her attack, but in the process I drop my flashlight. I panic and act clumsily. The flashlight falls near me, light up a tree in the vicinity. As soon as it left my hand, I remember how dense this abnormal darkness is. I quietly pick it up, not even thinking before taking action. I then see like the place here the cat was, only to discover she had out her body angrily as if she feared an attack from me. Those red eyes scared me. It looked cute. Come here, kitty cat. Shining, she is shining with the light of a flashlight as if they were jewels, reflecting a fearsome hatred and rejection toward me. My body freezes after seeing them. I can't even think. The cat then let out a stern meow similar to the one before we quit, although not any less frightening. There is no doubt that is something wrong with that animal. I must be cursed. Everything is her fault. She must be some kind of evil spirit, a pet of a witch. I feel how panic seizes me. My heart beats quickly, begging me to do something. My mouth is dry and my throat covered with cold sweat. What should I do? Con- Confront the cat, escape the cat from the cat. Confront the cat. No, I should not despair. I have to calm down and think carefully about what I should do. With that in my mind, I take a breath deep and look again at her. Soon the expression in my eyes changed from fear to courage. I'm courageous! Running away, I will just get lost. So, if the cat bring me here, she can at the same time let me out. I realize it is only a cat. Without a doubt, a strange one, but my life is not actually in danger. That isn't a tiger staring at me, but a simple cat. Apparently, her only power of those weird meow. If she could kill me, she would have already done it. Yes? So I rule out that possibility. Her work must be transporting the next victim to the area of forest. So unnaturally afraid. After filling my lungs with air, I slowly walk towards the cat. Her meow gets loud with every step, but I don't let them scream. Scare me. Seems that I don't. I do not turn back. She slowly take a step back. In my mind, I smile at that image. The prey is now the hunter. I mean, you were scared of a cat, a cute cat, though. I like the red eyes. I look at her directly while addressing. Little by little, her meow became weak, as if she was losing strength. When I suddenly jumped at her in my arms, she hardly resisted at all. Not so full now, right? You look better like this. It seems trembling in my hand. She looked so helpless, but I almost feel like a villain. But must not forget all what she had done so far. It's her fault that I'm in this place. She brought me here when if I kill her it would probably not really don't do this. For one moment I dreamed idea crossed my mind. I had never killed an animal, but I can't be proud of myself doing such thing. But if I do, maybe this legend could end here. Now, then what should I do? I mean, she bring you here. If you kill, you will still stay here. So, and I'm not proud of killing animals. So, I mean, killing animals that don't attack. So just keep her. It is only logical the magic should die along with the cat, but should be my ticket back. Yeah! If I kill her, everything would be over tonight and the legend would come to an end. Yes. Confident that it was for the best, I tried to view it in my mind. But no matter how hard I force myself to see it, in the end, I am unable to take the life of another living being. Yeah, kind of. Even if it is a cat serving a witch, I don't feel good killing her. I think I'm too nice for my own good. Pretty much. So the only thing that remained is to keep her with me, hoping that soon or later she allow me to escape. With nothing more than thinking about, I decided the best thing to do is to continue my path. Come here, kitty cat. 10 minutes later, because it was 31 nights, 41. 10 minutes later, it's been a few minutes since I captured a cat. Again, I find myself walking with her in my arm, led by a strange voice. How long have I been walking in this forest? Apparently not enough to make me go mad, but I should be close. Don't be afraid, come with me, I will help you. My voice sounds closing this time. The voice sounds closer this time. It seems that I am going in the right direction. I don't fully trust in it, but it's the best I have. At least at first glance, it seems a friendly voice. I am completely focused on my way when I suddenly feel something bite me. Ow, you bite me! Ow, what the heck? I shout in pain, realize that the cat bit my arm. Fortunately, wasn't a dangerous bite, but it sure was painful. Ow! With distraction, she take a chance to jump from my arm, falling a few steps away from me. Of course! Why not? I did not kill you, so don't bite me. Quietly, I set my glance upon my focus, but soon something happened that made me forget about my anger. Suddenly, the cat is covered with a bright light, so much that I repel the unnatural darkness surrounding the forest, stealing my breath. Under the light, its figure gradually changed until it ceased to be a cat and become a human figure. Okay? Okay! I'm glad I didn't kill you now. I would be accused by murder, even though if I kill a witch, it's not a murder. Apparently. Okay. I hate magic. No longer is there a cat in front of me, but a girl with incredible beauty. Not really. I mean, the eyes. Yes, red eyes. But no, white hair, anime, not really. I must really be going crazy. She has white hair and red eyes. I like the red eyes. She seems about my age. How old am I already? 18? 17? 20? 30? 19? 100? One decade? In other circumstances, I would have asked her out without hesitation. Not really. Just thinking about it made me laugh to myself in my mind. Even at the age of madness, I see something about me will never change. She approached slowly toward me, one step at a time, with no fear. I will get a slap. The girl then stared into my eyes with a sniffing, interacted face. I will get a slap. Her lips are moving. She seems to be saying something, but I am unable to hear the sound. Are you trying to tell me something? I will get a slap. I blame skill confusion, but a face of disbelief with serenity made me look stupid. That, said the girl with a very low voice. I do not understand what she is saying. What? I can't hear you well. I asked, still confused. Suddenly the girl frowned a bad mood. What's wrong with you? Are you deaf? Finally, I could hear her clearly, and just in time because it seems her patient was about to end. Okay, now I hear you. I say annoyed. All of my astonishment from just a few seconds ago disappear when I see an around attitude of a girl. At least now I don't think she will bite me. I hope. I will get a slap. The girl then snapped with irritation. Okay, no. Wait a second. This music. Yes, I know this music. It's from a game. Village and Hero. Seriously? I remember this game. I mean, I'm trying to record it, but apparently I can't. I don't know why, but I like this music too. She said at the time. She placed her hand on her lips, making a fancy face. Wait, you should speak ill of someone you haven't read right before you. I was quickly to respond. For a moment I felt annoyed at the proof that I have to teach manners to his spirit, or whatever she is. A pity. So much beauty wasted in someone so arrogant. A girl let out a snub of anyone's after hearing her. I'm sorry, it's a bad habit that I can't quit. Okay, I won't get a slap or a bite, which in any way I'm still glad. Okay, she answered without sounding very pre clearly and false apologize. After taking her diverse glance toward the surroundings as if she was bored. I see, I reply annoyed. I I just met her and I already feel I don't like her. But anyway, that doesn't matter. I must not forget who this girl is. She was the cat that started it all. Anyway, at least could you tell me why you attacked me and my friend? I asked so shortly after acting more seriously. The greeting were over. It's time to get to the important stuff. And why did you bite me if I wasn't doing anything? Before I knew, it's my lip move asking another question. I cannot lie, I was angry. The girl then stared at my face. I mean, it's a good sign, no? It's better than staring down there. Let's blink with a curiosity before speaking. Does it hurt? The wound. He asked innocently. Yes, you bite me. Does cat bite hurt? I mean, I never have a cat. It quite a response with annoyance. I didn't need to say more. Of course it hurts. See that? She looked at me in silence for a few seconds until suddenly she approached me without any shyness or fear. On second thought, how could a simple human such as me scare a cat that can turn into a person? "Come here, wood," said the girl once she stood right next to me. Her presence made me nervous. This girl seems to not know what personal space is. As embarrassing as it sounds, I had never had a girl this close, if only it was in the forest. You kind of lose some. Let's just continue to it. I don't know why shouldn't trust her, but strangely something tells me that she had no bad intention. The girl is surrounded by a calm aura, something pure, unlike anything else in the forest. In the end, resigning myself with a sense I show her my arm with a bite. Immediately she stepped aside on the wood. It will only take a moment, she said with complete confidence when she looked up to my eyes. Could you close your eyes? She asked as she blushed slightly. I am surprised to see that embarrassed face, even if just a little. Let me guess, but I will tell you. When I was feeling something wasn't right, but there is nothing else I can do. Okay, she will just drink my blood. Isn't it? Isn't it? I say, doing as she asked. I didn't know what to expect. For a moment, I thought she would get neck or something like that. No, she will just lick you up. I mean, the blood. But what kind of magic can work on you when you have a glove? I don't know. But my mind sure wants to imagine. But don't do it. I don't want to censor anything. Come on, Alex. Keep your composure. Suddenly I feel something warm and wet touching my wound. I knew it! Immediately I wait. What are you doing? It's a stupid question because I knew well what she was doing. She was digging my wound. I knew it! I mean, I see it coming. You idiot. Who say you could watch? Was quick to respond the cat, which her cheek reddened in embarrass and her lips like closed my wound. She looked adorable too. Don't you see that I'm just trying to heal you? She even added a bad mood. I'm so bad. Now I went sorry. It's curiosity. It happened. I said, blushing. I thought you would do something more extraordinary. No, I'm not sure. Is she a girl who can transform into cat or a cat that can become a girl? White hat white. Sorry to disappoint you, not being extraordinary enough. Murmured the girl. At the same time, she gave me a annoyed look, red eyes shining with disgust. It is then that I realized that the pain was disappeared. With curiosity, I looked where the wound was, only to discover that now there is no trace of it. For a couple of seconds, I stayed silently incredibly. It seems that your treatment worked. I finally said gratefully, still looking at the spot. But of course, I am an experienced healing myself. Answered the girl, closed her eyes and inflating her chest to show her pride. You can animate it, you know. I mean, okay, it's a virtual novel, but you could animate it just to make it a little anime. I actually appreciate what she did, but I still wondered if she really had to lick it to cure me. I understand, but who are you? The girl made a small snub with curiosity after hearing my question. Then she tilted her head and closed her eyes, making a troubleful face. It seemed I have not present myself. She opened her eyes and gazed into mine. My name is Ashley. Ashley, okay. So what's her name? I expect something more extravagant. Like, mine is Alex. By the way, have you ever been cursed or witchcraft? Before I knew I had asked that question, I guess it was rather rude from me, completely lacking in manners. But I must not forget for even a second that I am in this cursed forest. Ashley suddenly became silent at plain sight. It was obvious she didn't take it well. She take her time before responding. But that was a long time ago. Then she closed her eyes and exhaled empty her lung. It seems to be really something painful. Just seeing her made me feel guilty. I'm sorry, it was not my intention to make you remember it. I say slightly regret. Come on, just make us say what we need to do. No doubt to be accused of witchcraft must have been horrible experience. She was a cat, she bite you. Ashley closed her eyes and nubbed a cloud of time. It's okay, it's not like I can blame you. Curiosity seems where we are. When she looked at me close with curious eyes. By the way, how do you know about me? Perhaps you are a sorcerer who has lived during these past centuries. She asked narrowly with her eyes as if she was trying to see the inside of my mind. What kind of question is that? No, nothing like that. I answered at the moment. I'm just an ordinary person. Boing, boing, boing. I omit boing. Okay, but she didn't need to know that. It's just that there are stories about witch in this forest. But as you can see, the stories are not very convincing, or else I wouldn't be here. I explained, trying to remove any doubt that Ashley may have. Again, she closed her eyes and no. I understand. She paused and looked me in the eyes. It's because of those stupid mind that stupid human come into the forest just like you. She then said, look at me with rejection. Wait, what are you trying to say? We are to blame? I replied, feeling offended. Ashley soundly looked at me disgusted. Are you an idiot? Yes, 80% idiot. Yes, if you had come, my existence would be nice and peaceful. Instead of this chaos, is that it is very here, she said, ending a sign of frustration. But you're the one who caused all of this. I was quite responded. I don't even bother to hide my anger. I can't believe what she said. How arrogant can she be? Ashley opened her eyes wide, surprised, then She looked at me with annoyance in her red eyes. Do you do you understand, stupid human? That's pretty much it for this episode. Cliffhangers. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, raise your controller to the sky. Bring the noise.